What's going on, guys? It's Dale from TLDstudios.net, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to go about exporting your rig and animation from Blender into Unreal Engine 5. Because not always are you going to want to use the rig that they have set up inside of the Unreal Engine. Sometimes you want to create a custom rig for specific characters, and here's how you go about exporting it. And I'm going to break this down into 3 different parts. It's going to be super quick. First step, we're going to export the rig with no animations. The second part, we're going to export the animations by itself. And third, we're going to import those both into Unreal Engine 5. So first thing we want to do, after we have our character and the rig, we want to select them both. And if you have multiple parts of your character, please select it. And once you have it selected, we're just going to go to the top left, go to File, go to Export, and go to FBX. And now we're going to go to the right and go to Selected Objects Only. Let's go down a bit, and we want to go to where it says Geometry. Hit that drop down, change it from Smoothing Normals Only to Faces. Scroll down a bit more, go to Armature, and I want to go to Uncheck Add Leaf Bones. We don't want that. And we're going to just uncheck Bake Animations, because we're not going to be baking any animations with this first one. It's just the rig. So uncheck that. Go to directory where you want this to be stored at. I created a folder called Send to Unreal for the sake of the tutorial, so I'll just save this here, and I'll just name this something looker_rig, and then just hit export FBX. Alright, since we exported out the rig, now we want to export out the animations, and here I have a quick really ugly animation, but it was just done just to show you guys how to go about doing this, so this animation isn't going to be used in production. So I have about 130 frames of animation going on. So what I want to do is the same export settings as before. I want to go and select the model. So let's go to object mode, select the model and the rig, go to File, Export, FBX. It's saved in the same directory, and we'll just change the name to animation. Selected objects only, we want that. Let's go to our animation, and we want to check this on. Hit the drop down, uncheck NLA strips, and uncheck all actions. Once that's done, we can just export this baby. Now we're done inside of Blender, so let's open up Unreal. Alright guys, so once you open up your Unreal Engine project, we can now start importing the files that we exported from Blender. So let's make our way over here. Let's go to Import, go to the directory where you stored those files. Mine's over here, and Send to Unreal. This is the folder. First I'm going to bring in the rig, so we have Looker rig here. Open, and when you want to import this, first we want to do is uncheck Import Animations. So uncheck this, and then we can just import it. You're going to get some pop-ups, but don't worry about those. We can just exit. And I already have my materials here, so I don't really need those, but as you guys can see, here we have our rig, and what we can do is grab the rig, and we can just bring it into the 3D viewport. And now let's import the animation. So I'm going to go to Animations, my animation folder, or you can create one by just right clicking, going to New Folder, and name it Animations. Let's go to Import, grab the animation, open, and now here what we want to do is first choose the imported rig that we first created. So let's go to where it says skeleton here, where it says none. And we want to grab the Looker rig, which I just exported. And then what we want to do is uncheck Import Mesh. So go to where it says Import here, uncheck that, and now we can just import. Just that simple. And now we want to do is select the rig we have here, go to the Details panel, where it says Animation Mode, change it from Use Animation Blueprint to Animation Asset. Where it says Animation to Play, we can choose the animation that we created inside of Blender. So if I were to, you know, double click on this animation, you'll see that it's actually playing, but it's on my other monitor. There you go. And if also you want to see this in game, you could also just press play. But let me just rotate this around so you guys can see this. And I'll just right click right here and I'll play from here. You see, that looks freaky. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick and simple tutorial, and if you did, give the video a thumbs up, share, comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.